In this video, we're going to be talking about where are the best places to buy cryptocurrencies, and then how do I actually get around to purchasing them. So let's find out.
Fat candle, fat candle.
So there's a couple ways to do it. I'm going to show you the three ways that are basically the most common and the easiest ways to get started. And basically at that point, you'll know how to actually buy crypto with your fiat. So the first really easy one is, or I guess it's kind of easy, is local Bitcoins. Because it's been around a very long time. You select your country wherever you live in. So let's say I live in Thailand, right? So we can go to Thailand. We could search for any offers and find them. So these are how much they cost in Thai baht, the limits. And so we can actually see their ratings and stuff. Some people have had bad experience with some of them have been perfect. And you can buy directly from these people, and they use escrow services. So basically you pay, goes into escrow, the crypto gets transferred and the escrow gets released. And so that's how you can buy crypto on exchange like this. You could buy here, how much do you wish to buy, right? And then the payment window is an hour and 30 minutes. You pay, goes into the escrow, and then it basically sorts it out. So you can sign in and buy Bitcoin. You can also sell Bitcoin. So I personally find that this is an okay way to do it, but some people that are worried rather have more like their bank go into an actual centralized place and buy it. So we'll talk about those too. But local Bitcoin is a really good way to get started, and because of the way it's done, it's very safe. Okay, so they even give you terms of how they work. So here he says no ATM transfer or cash deposit for this advert. You'll provide payment details once you get it. And so basically he's here, and then people rate these guys. So if they're not good or they've done something wrong, then you can actually look at their feedback and see how people thought or how their trades have gone. So they've done 3,000 trades, probably someone decently reputable with the 99% score. Okay, so that's one way. Another way obviously is to get a Bitcoin ATM. So Bitcoin ATM is basically just like a normal ATM, but you feed in cash and it lets you store Bitcoin in a wallet. So you can look for where they are around the world. Go to coinatmradar.com and it will show you wherever you are in the world. So let's say we're in the America or Canada area. It will show you where you can actually access a Bitcoin ATM. Here's Toronto, Quebec, Ottawa, Montreal, Kingston, in Toronto. So if we went to my hometown, Toronto, you can actually go around from Richmond Hill, let's say, and okay, there's 2 Bitcoin ATMs in this region right here, and I can click on one and I can go and basically buy Bitcoin right there. Put cash in. There is usually an 8 to 10% fee doing this, so keep that in mind. It's not cheap, but it's an easy way to get started. And so yeah, basically that's how you find a Bitcoin ATM. It's not very hard. So if you ever didn't know that they exist in your city, go to coinatmradar.com. You'll find it, and you can easily go and actually access Bitcoin, and sometimes actually other coins as you see here, like Dash, Ether, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, etc. Okay, so knowing that, the last one is fiat to crypto exchanges. So these are centralized exchanges that you connect your bank to, or you connect a credit card to, and you pay, and then it gives you crypto. So let's just go over a couple. The main one, as you probably have heard, is Coinbase. You connect your bank to it, and basically you send money from your bank to Coinbase, and basically then you buy crypto with it. So you can buy different cryptocurrencies that are offered on Coinbase, or you can also switch to a crypto to crypto exchange. So something like Binance, where you can put your Bitcoin, transfer it over, and then use it to trade other coins. Okay. You also have Gemini, another huge exchange. You can link your credit card, debit card, etc. Kraken, you can link your bank card to. You can also, for some of these exchanges, do wire transfers. And so you can do that with Kraken before. I know there were some changes, but I still think you can do wire transfers for some currency pairs. And then there's CoinMama. They've also been around a while. You can use Western Union, which is pretty cool, or MoneyGram. And again, another easy way to get connected. And then Bitstamp, which has been around since 2011. They're Europe based. So if you're in Europe, this is a good one for you to start with. And they don't have huge fees, which is nice. And so that's basically it. Though these are the ways that you can buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to just get started. And it's not something that's going to be difficult if you use a centralized exchange. It's just going to take verification, and then you can start buying. Or you go to local Bitcoins and buy directly from another person. There's lots of ways to do it. The whole point is here at the end of the grand scheme of things is that basically you buy Bitcoin by linking a bank account. It's not that hard. Once you get started and you just do this, you'll be great. And if you haven't ever done this before and you want to get a Coinbase account started, go watch my video on Coinbase. Really easy to get started with these exchanges. It's the same as doing anything with your normal bank, where you connect your account and basically verify your account, verify your identity, and then you can go ahead and use it. And for some exchanges, you don't even have to do that. But basically, to get started, the easiest way is to use an ATM, local Bitcoins, or an exchange that accepts credit card, or, as most don't do that as much anymore, your bank account linked, and you can just transfer money. So that's basically it. So that's how you buy Bitcoin. That's how you get into crypto. That's how you get into altcoins. So that's your first step. Watch my other videos on how to use Binance to buy even more coins later.
Fat kiddo, fat kiddo, huge fat kiddo.